How you doing, Alsaltyadventures? This is Chris. It is 4:30 in the morning, and we are doing our first kayak tournament on this channel and for myself, as well as the maiden voyage of my new kayak. So stay tuned, and let me take you on the ride, and let's have some fun. Okay guys, so it's a little after 7. Sun's up finally. Off to an awesome start. Let's see. First, walking the kayak out till it got deep enough to put the pedal drive down. I found a hole and totally fell in. That was awesome. So I got wet first thing. Haven't tipped over yet though. Let's see. I've wrapped my line around my prop. Cast a lure into the weeds and lost that. What else do we got? Anyway, sun's just now coming up, so hopefully the bite will get on, and I won't lose any more lures because they only gave us 5, and I've already lost 2. So, all right, stay tuned. So, update so far. We have landed 1 fish, speckled trout, so at least I'm on the board. I didn't get skunked. That was awesome. Only 14 1/4. So nothing huge, but you know what? At this point, I'll take it. Sun's finally out, bright. It was overcast, this morning for a while. Hopefully, we'll get some more action and some more video. Stand by. Well, salty friends, first kayak tournament in the books. Man, I caught 1 speckled trout, so at least I didn't get skunked. However, I got rolled in the surf twice, broke a fishing rod, lost a GoPro, and my mic set. And a tie-down strap. All in all, I'm exhausted, but I had a blast. So, sorry I don't have footage of the 1 fish I did catch. That was on the GoPro, and that's at the bottom of Mobile Bay somewhere. Stay tuned for next time.